Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Writing a letter to an immigration officer can feel incredibly stressful, but it's a critical skill for many immigration processes. Whether you're writing a letter of support, responding to a request for evidence, or explaining a unique situation, the goal is to be clear, professional, and persuasive. Let's break down how to structure your letter for the best possible outcome. First, always format it as a professional business letter. This means your name and address go in the top left corner, followed by the date, and then the address of the USCIS office you're writing to. If you don't have a specific officer's name, addressing it to the office itself is fine. The most important part of this section is including all relevant case identifiers. This includes the applicant's full name, their A number, and any receipt numbers associated with the case. Put this information right at the top so the officer can immediately pull up the correct file. Next, create a clear and concise subject line. For example, subject, letter of support for Jane Doe, A number, 123-456-789, or subject, response to request for evidence, receipt number, ABC 12345678890. This tells the officer exactly what your letter is about before they even read the first sentence. For the salutation, keep it formal and respectful. Dear Immigration Officer or Dear USCIS Officer is perfectly acceptable. Now for the body of the letter. Your opening sentence should state exactly who you are and the purpose of your letter. Don't make them guess. For instance, my name is John Smith, and I am writing to confirm the bona fide marriage to my wife, Jane Doe, in support of her I-485 application. The rest of the body needs to be factual, honest, and to the point. This is not the place for overly emotional appeals or long, rambling stories. Stick to the facts. Use specific dates, events, and details to support your claims. If you're writing a letter of support for a marriage, describe how you met, when you decided to get married, and provide a few concrete examples of your shared life, like joint bank accounts, a lease with both your names, or shared experiences. If you're responding to a request for more information, address their questions directly and systematically. Be truthful above all else. Misrepresentation can have severe consequences. Always maintain a polite and respectful tone, even if you are frustrated with the process. Finally, the closing. Use a formal closing like sincerely, or respectfully yours. Then, you must physically sign the letter in ink. Below your signature, type your full name and include your contact information like your phone number and email address. If you mention any supporting documents in your letter, make sure you attach copies and reference them clearly, like, see attached copy of our 2023 joint tax return. Remember, this information is for educational purposes and is not legal advice. For complex situations, you should always consult with an immigration attorney. I hope this guide helps you draft a clear and effective letter for your immigration case. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on navigating the U.S. immigration system. Thanks for watching.